to get Z transform. Okay, here we are going to see how to calculate the C transform and what are the type of C transform and all the stuff, and also the region of convergence. Okay, and this C transform is nothing but it's extension of the digital, not a discrete time Fourier transform. Like C transform is the extension of discrete time Fourier transform. And the difference between discrete time Fourier transform and C transform is discrete time Fourier transform is only deal with the stable systems. Discrete time Fourier transform is for the stable systems, but Z transform is for the stable and also the unstable as well. So we can say Z transform is for the stable and unstable systems. And this C transform is used for digital filter design and synthesis. Okay. And to calculate the C transform, what we do is we input a time domain input, and we convert this one into a C transform. So if you put an input x of n, the output will be x of z. Okay, and there's an equation to calculate the Z transform that is given by x of c is equal to summation of n is equal to negative infinity to positive infinity x of n multiplied by z power minus n. Okay, this is the equation we use to calculate the C transform. Now let's go ahead and look a little bit furthermore. So here in this equation, this z is nothing but a complex variable. That z represents a complex variable. And x of n is the input, and x of z is the output, and these two are called C transform pair. And there are two types of C transform. One is going from 0 to positive infinity, and the other one is going from negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay, and the one goes from 0 to positive infinity is called unilateral C transform, and this one is exactly same like this. Only the difference is this n is going to start from 0. Summation n is equal to 0 and go to infinity, and then x of n z power minus n. And then the second type is bilateral. That's the one we have right here. Let's start from negative infinity to positive infinity. Bilateral, which is x of c is equal to summation n is equal to negative infinity to positive infinity x of n z power minus n. And let's look at the region of convergence for the Z transform. Region of convergence, ROC. This region of convergence is nothing but the region where the C transform converges. Where C transform converges. And we can also say this is the values of C, or we can say wherever that C transform can be calculated. Okay, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.